Guess what, guys? We missed our flight. I'm supposed to fly to Delhi tonight for wedding trials, but we missed our flight because of Mumbai traffic. It's so crazy. We didn't know that there is some rally or something that's happening. Everyone literally is on the streets. Andheri was fully packed, so we couldn't get to the airport. The traffic police shut off the entries, like the main highway entries. So we had to come from all these small lanes, and all of them were packed, full of traffic. And now we've reached, and we've missed our flights. Our tickets have gone to waste, Addy and I. And now he's actually standing in the queue to see if we can get the next flight because there's no point in going back home. We are going to get stuck in traffic anyway. So now we are going to see what's happening. So today is 9th September. We are in Delhi. Finally made it very late in the night, but we are on our way to do outfit trials. So first we are going to Mehrauli. And I don't know the proper plan for the next 2 days, but I'm here for a total of 3 days. And the goal is to finalize all of my outfits. I have nothing figured out. We are exact 3 months away. I don't know if we can count December at all. So we need the outfits by November end. And I have not done anything. And based on my outfits, Andy will choose his outfits because we kind of want to, coordinate and obviously not get something that's very different from each other. The only thing we have sorted is our decor. So we have like an outline for all of the functions to follow, which actually makes it easier. Like either way, you either have your outfits first and then figure out your decor, or have your decor and then reverse, like work in a reverse order. I'm also feeling a little stressed that this is probably the only trip I have to figure out my outfits. And so far, everything I've seen in Bombay, I haven't really liked because everything seems like it's done. Everything seems very, I don't want to say the word typical, but that's the only word that's coming in my mind, like a very typical bridal outfit, And I don't know what I'm expecting also because a lehenga will be a lehenga and a gown will be a gown. But I don't want to go for a bedazzled kind of chunky outfit for how everyone does like chunky gown for the cocktail, and then yellow for the haldi and a lehenga for the wedding. So I want to try to experiment with my looks and still not be very experimental where everyone is like, what the fuck is she wearing? So I want to find a balance. So far from Bombay, whatever I've seen, I haven't really liked. Like nothing has been like this is the one. So that's why I'm still looking, and hopefully something works out.
Made on it,
Oh,
man.
yeah.
It's so so pathetic.
I
Oh
think
my
it means
god.
that we're getting recognized.
I love that also,
Yeah.
but I can under. You can lift it slightly more, huh? That's it. Leave it, hands down. I love this.
But it still looks good together.
It looks great together.
Yeah.
Ooh. Cute, yes. Very cute.
Yeah.
Great crab. The back is so hot. See?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is maybe appropriate, the back.
Do that. Can you do that for the vibes? Love. Vibes. not hit the spot for him yet. I think we can change.
Blah. It's the first outfit. They'll remove na, if we want to remove.
Whatever you want.
Okay.
Even though there's like coral coming from the bottom, that crochet. Very, very chic. I like this more than that.
This
But
more
I
than this.
also like that.
Yeah.
These two are my
I
favorites.
feel like the color palette we can explore for Mehendi also. Like keep that as an option if we go for this.
Can you turn once? I want to see the work.
Can we do a cap sleeves blouse also?
We should call Dimple also.
Yeah.
That will be
She,
better.
she has like the best recommendation
Yeah.
and stuff to give. But I love, look at the
Yeah.
back, dude. Adi, look. Wow, the back is insane. Should we
Yeah.
say yes to this outfit?
This is very nice.
Say yes to the outfit.
This is, see, I'm feeling this.
Yeah, I'm glad.
Yeah.
Remove my watch and all.
I love, oh my god. So she has more like ideas to throw on us. But I love the color.
The
It's
color
fun.
is beautiful.
Mm.
Yeah, but this is what I meant. Like something
You
you
need-
need to try a different look.
Like,
Turn in the mirror.
can we try the grey one next? Sure. It's fun. It's like,
Yeah, it's such a nice
it's so fun. This pista grey.
pista color.
Yeah, I love.
It's looking very pretty.
Very nice. It looks so nice in the daytime.
Yeah, it's gonna look amazing in that winter.
Fit is
I'm not
fine,
sure.
but the
It's
color-
fine. The colors.
Yeah.
Very done. I think green वाला अच्छा.
I think green was
Green
the
is
best.
best so far.
We'll take the length now.
You like
the
this?
color.
You like
ये
this?
सिर्फ शरारा टॉप के लिए हम वो ले रहे हैं.
Just for the
This
silver
will
we are
be
using.
the-
अच्छा लग रहा है but ये green
This-
green को best है green.
Yeah.
Green तो
मतलब
color कर ही रहे
this
हैं.
in this top.
Just for the silver we are trying color everything
And
will
इसकी
be there.
length थोड़ी
Addy has gone in to do his first outfit trial. He's just gone to do the first. What am I saying? You can eat some coffee. Eat some coffee, guys. This is the first outfit that Addy is trying so far. Since Bombay and Delhi, both places, I've been the one who's doing all the outfit trials. So this is the first time he's picked an outfit and we liked it, and we're thinking it might look really nice for the South Indian wedding. It's got like a dhoti and a kurta with like, I don't know what to call the work.
Gold embellishments.
Embellishments is the word.
Looks like temple jewelry type
Yeah,
work.
which looks like temple jewelry, which I might be wearing for the South Indian wedding, so it'll look nice for us together. But I'm excited to see.
Free to try finally.
Yeah. Plus everywhere there is a sizing issue also. Everyone has like model sizes, so there's thoda problems for trials. But let's see. Like you work on it, it looks different for us at least. Otherwise, that is usually like basic. Yeah.
Yeah, it's always plain.
The dhoti is so nice. It looks perfect for South Indian. No, I think he can do this also. Like it's up to us. Maybe like the fashion choice is more important. Just took a coffee break. I'm so happy I've done Americano because
What else you do? Because yours is bad, you said.
you've done something spoiled inside this.
I don't like the roast, guys.
It's very bad.
So bad. I thought it was my coffee. No, it's all of us.
We are at
Horrible.
the point in the day where we need this. We all needed this. Like, we were in Abhinav Mishra and I was slurring because I felt like I couldn't think. Like, my brain was tired. We've been getting sleep, but not like according to my ring. It's not proper deep sleep. I'm not recovering well, guys. So I feel tired and I feel loopy. So now this coffee actually 2 sips is helping me.
तो ऐसा बोले
Now we are-
वो zoomies होने लग जाएंगे पीते ही.
We still have a lot to do today, but I feel like we might get
some clarity by the end of today, and just I feel good. We are going somewhere.
Hoping for
We are
that.
actually going somewhere.
It's like a long corset.
Long corset and with sharara.
With problem with corset, if she's sitting, that bone.
No, we'll
is-
not put bone.
Oh, okay,
Because,
nice.
because she'll be dancing. And
Amazing.
Like, in picture, it looks very long.
It's like a shade of that, no? Henna.
Yeah.
Wow. Just perfect.
The color is too good.
Even the color and like the work.
I've not seen a bride in a navy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what
I've
I
not
really want to do,
seen-
like bride maybe. But they are only wearing for Sangeet and Sufi and all, and not for the wedding. Also because of fabric.
Fabric, it's
But
shiny.
this is in starting. Yeah, that is in
Today is our 4th day in Delhi. I'm sorry if you hear the traffic. We are on our way to Rimple and Harpreet's store. First, I have a few updates for you. So from the last 3 days, we've actually been to quite a few showrooms, seen all our options, and we've narrowed it down to the outfit. I'm so excited. We don't know what we're doing for cocktail yet, but we have a meeting today for that as well. We saw this Rimple and Harpreet lehenga, I think, on our 2nd day, and I knew I wanted to wear something from the designer. I just didn't know which function. Like, I was leaning more towards the mehendi function, because for the mehendi and haldi function, which is like a combined thing, I wanted to do a very cool Punjabi aesthetic sharara and do, you know, the hair, accessorize, all of that, but very heavy with the Punjabi aesthetic, because there's no other look that I'm doing for Punjabi, but I'm doing a South Indian one for the South Indian wedding. The Punjabi wedding is more modern. So this is our last day in Delhi and we are flying back tonight. But Khushi actually went back home yesterday because she had another thing happening back in Bombay, so she had to go back. Today, guys, we are actually meeting Rimple from Rimple and Harpreet, and I'm so excited. The fact that she's coming to see us and discuss this outfit, kind of hear what she has in mind, because it is not one lehenga, the whole outfit. We've actually put together the lehenga from the outfit, and we've taken a blouse from a different outfit, and we've taken the dupatta from a different outfit. And this is quite a wacky idea for the brand itself. Like, they don't do a lot of mix and match. The outfit goes as it is. My stylist Dola and I are very excited with the idea to just sit with her, see what she thinks, and I'm so excited to take you guys along. I hope I can record inside when we sit to discuss with her, but obviously we'll check with them if they're okay with it, and then I can share with you. But I'm very excited. Like, that's the Punjabi wedding outfit. We've also met with Jigar Mali, who very sweetly actually came when we were visiting the store. We are going to meet Ankita Jain in the evening to potentially discuss the cocktail outfit. But let's see, discussion has not even started, so I don't know where it'll go. But it's still like a rough idea. I'm just happy things are taking shape. The outfits are going somewhere. I'm a little less stressed now. And yesterday we actually saw a lot of fun outfits for Addy, who is recording now.
I really liked a particular piece that I saw at Rohit Bal. I'm very inclined towards it, but not sure abhi tak. But I'll see more. And she's leaving tonight. I'll be staying back in Delhi, and then I'll go with my with my friends and maybe my brother and my mom, and then I'll also take a look dobara se and see what they feel and what they like. I think I'll be able to decide in another 20 days, I think. But I'm really very excited for her, and let's see what happens today.
He wanted me to wear red. He's like, please, why function.
I mean, this is my red
And
touch.
you wear the red bangles, no? The chura, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that look lovely.
We actually saw Kaliras here.
Oh,
Yeah, we have fabulous.
Who we
Kalira.
pink type? It was a rose gold.
Rose gold?
Yeah.
That
See,
looks
because even the
so nice.
this set has like a hint of bluish green color that
This
is
actually looks so pretty, this sword.
No, really, you have to come and see the jewelry section. You will fall in love.
We haven't yet.
Yeah, it's lovely.
These ones, yeah.
I mean,
Ajit,
just
more. Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
Can you have the one which has a bit of a lace here? That looks very delicate and sophisticated. I'll just show you. Give me that one. Yeah, she just. You know, we like to. We don't like to change the length of the blouse.
Yeah.
Because the sexiness kind of goes.
Yeah.
Oh, you kind of just cover it this much. Do you want to see in the mirror? See.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely, no?
Yeah.
Just hold it from her. Can you just balance?
Yeah.
Dude, if I come, I go extra again. Then what's happening? You're going extra.
I love it. It's a moment.
So,
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow, that's beautiful. Literally the way she's put it on you right now.
Yeah.
It's
Just
cool.
for your and the length, I feel should be
I love it. Look at the line.
walking like this.
Yeah.
And
Okay,
then
don't fall.
you keep it- No, no.
Okay, can you step back and then probably get a walk. Yeah.
That's exactly how you walk.
How do you like it?
I love it. That's beautiful. Bus, bus,
Four-step
bus.
walk.
Yeah, I know. I'm feeling it.
Yeah, so yeah, that's fine. You just take it off. Like, oh, he takes it off.
Yeah.
And this can just go.
And then this
It goes. And that one
And
sticks.
that stays.
Yeah, stays. Beta wo wapas lagao. That's it.
I love that.
That's the idea.
Like
This is your color. Yeah, these are the pista is always your color. To be closed, huh?
yeah, it'll be closed. It's like not my size as now. ये यहाँ बटन दे बस यहाँ बंद होगा ऐसा.
Got it. Very regal.
A little bit of layering, it gives a little extra effect of layering. It's because this is very basic, this is very normal. When I give you a little bit of layering, you also feel nice and special.
Yeah.
And a stole and matching shoes, you're sorted. Shoes are like that. One of these like moccasins. And then you can wear your this thing silver. You
And
will
show
look
them
complete. I mean, you don't need to do anything more than that. You know,
I love
it's-
how this also looks.
Yeah, मुझे भी इसका नहीं अच्छा लगा.
ये बनाते हैं. Let's do this. Let's do this. You choose a color. I would
Yeah,
love to
this
do
is
a baby
really
pink
nice.
in this, like a old rose. Or you like this? I can do.
He likes
this.
that elaichi color a
Yeah,
lot.
so in your lehenga, you know, like the colors there.
Hmm.
We can do that color. Ivory.
I was just gonna say
proper ivory.
Ivory.
Like a proper ivory.
because that's what he had in mind earlier. See this? Also beautiful.
Then ivory.
See, pink and the ivory both I can like work
Do.
with.
Can do?
Yes.
I like the ivory also actually.
I love the ivory actually.
That's
you like
all.
your cuts on the side or something?
Side पे तो होगा. This there has to be a cut.
Yeah. These are really
उस वे में तो I have no like doubts
You
or
trust me?
anything. Yeah,
Give a
that is
measure.
what I'm saying. Yeah,
If you
उसमें
trust
कोई doubt
me,
नहीं.
just give your measure. This should be on record. If you like that, if you trust me, ask him to just give his measurements and just come on the trial.
Yes.
Yay!
Basically, like pay some sort of like homage to a tiger, right? Because that's what they're known for. So this is typically their setup. Like, they're going with a purple, and it's going to be super jiggy, but that's pretty much the setup. Purple and white.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
That's basically it. So a lot of like these greens in that olive manner and purples.
Great.
So I'm like, it'd be great. He might be in a black and gold. Okay. Velvet jacket situation. I'll send you a photo of it also whenever I get a chance to see what's exactly happening. But for her, I'm definitely feeling happy. And my thing was, can we do something with like white type of print?
Yes.
Like in terms of like embroidery.
Yes.
You know, like tiger stripes,
Yes.
white on mine,
Yeah.
but also like I don't know.
Yeah,
We can. It's too far away, right? I think we'll just start the whole movie.
I
together.
thought I think it's going to be fun.
It's really fun. And it's very unusual.
Very unusual.
So,
Actually, when you said that up for a moment, I was like, wait, what? But
Yeah.
I think it'll be nice.
so I'm like, why not get the tigers involved, and do a little bit of like the tiger print.
Could be a tiger.
Or maybe the wheel could have like a tiger print.
Tiger print.
Tail. That would be
nice.
insane
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
And the like the on some can be something else altogether. I like
Yeah.
that idea.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
good as well.
Yeah.
I feel like a net or an organza. I was like an organza sort of
Yeah.
net has a texture.
Yeah.
You know, it's
Yeah.
visible in
Yeah.
photos especially. But like organza will be like a seamless finish in comparison. So I think organza instead of net. Yeah. I love the idea of that. Yeah. Like in terms of this the top and the skirt, where do you feel? Are you wanting to do a corset? I mean, not really, not really. And then I saw your drape situation.
Yeah.
And I like the idea of something drapey.
I actually was thinking something drapey, and then if you want, then the veil can have that tiger moment.
Yeah.
Because then the veil you can also remove, right? So your whole outfit becomes a completely different vibe as soon as the veil is off. Yeah. So I think
And
that
I
would
was
be a vibe.
thinking veil more for portraits, pictures,
Yeah.
that vibe, and then obviously.
Guys, I don't know how much I actually recorded from today, but I booked my lehenga. We have decided on the lehenga, and once you make the payment, it feels so real so quickly. And we got to meet with Ankita at Ankita Jain. We are doing the cocktail outfit with her. I'm very excited because if you know her brand, she does amazing women's wear and such beautiful silhouettes. The way that it fits women, especially, it feels like it's just the outfit is made for you. That's how beautifully she tailors things. When we were walking around Chaparjat, we were like, why aren't we thinking of doing a cocktail outfit with Ankita? And that's why we had a meeting with her today, and we were just discussing ideas that we have. And I feel like there is direction, of course. So we are going to, I think in the next few days, we are going to work on sketches with her, finalize things. I've given my measurements to her today. I've given my measurements at Rimple and Harpreet for the lehenga that we finalized. What we also finalized is that Addy is also wearing Rimple and Harpreet for a Punjabi wedding. That was definitely not the plan, but everything just worked out. Like after meeting Rimple especially, oh my god, that woman is just so enigmatic. Like when you meet her, you see such a fun person in front of you, and she was so involved in the whole process. She was as excited as us, and even though she was like handling many different clients, she was still making time for us every time. And she came back and showed Addy's outfits, and she was like, Addy can do this for the wedding. And we all got very excited with her. Like it was so much fun. I'm so happy that we have made a lot of progress from this trip. I'm actually at the airport. Dola and I are flying back home tonight. We're going to reach home at like 12:30, but it was definitely worth it. Like such a fun trip.